Welcome back to the Mighty Machinery channel, home of all things heavy machinery and machinery fails. In this video, we'll be presenting unbelievable modern machines that are operating at another level. Stay until the end to witness the Mighty Machinery team's most mind-blowing modern machines. Starting with the Kivi Stone Picker. This superhero of farming equipment is designed to streamline the laborious task of picking up stones from fields. Featuring sturdy construction and innovative technology, this remarkable device efficiently sifts through soil, collecting stones of various sizes with precision. Its adjustable picking drum allows customization according to field conditions, ensuring thorough stone removal while minimizing soil disruption. The Kivi Stone Picker finds extensive use across agricultural landscapes, aiding farmers in reclaiming arable land and reducing damage to machinery caused by hidden stones. Its straightforward operation and impressive performance make it an indispensable tool for modern farming practices, significantly reducing manual labor and increasing efficiency. Next, we have the marvelous Ibex Hewer by Agrotechnic, a simple, practical operating concept with a rotating multifunctional steering handle and integrated controls characterizes this motor mower. Due to its wide, deep design, this machine guarantees optimal ground adaptation, ensuring easy conquering of those challenging terrains. Its V-shaped, extendable guide wheels make navigating steep slopes a breeze, with no counterweight needed. Plus, the lockable wheels keep the hewer on track, even in the wildest of situations. The freewheeling front wheels enable a short turning radius, making maneuvering a piece of cake. It's equipped with a Vanguard V-twin engine, which produces 22 horsepower. These features of Ibex Hewer make mowing more efficient and easy. Now, putting the spotlight on clean sands, walk behind Delfino 2.0 Beach Cleaner, a compact and powerful solution for maintaining pristine shorelines and preserving marine ecosystems. This small, self-propelled machine operates seamlessly in confined spaces, propelled by an electric-powered engine for eco-friendly operation. With its innovative loading roller and transverse motion, the Delfino 2.0 efficiently sifts through sand, removing debris like cigarette butts, glass, and plastic to ensure cleaner beaches. Its wide cleaning path covers vast areas, maximizing productivity, while its user-friendly design allows operators to navigate with ease, guaranteeing thorough cleaning with minimal effort. Ideal for various coastal settings, including resorts, public beaches, and environmental conservation projects, the Delfino 2.0 promotes a clean and enjoyable beach experience for visitors while safeguarding precious marine habitats. Strap in for the thrilling adventures in the world of tech wonders. Don't miss out. Smash that subscribe button, join the Mighty Machinery community, and let's explore the endless realm of modern machines together. Keep up with the latest updates. Hit subscribe now. Welcome to the world of efficiency and innovation with the RP200 Wood Chipper, crafted with precision by Ramet CNC technology. This eco-friendly solution ensures pristine shorelines effortlessly. The machine's metal frame, supported by wide-spaced sections, houses an expandable inlet hopper for enhanced rigidity. Safety is paramount with a built-in switch around the hopper for emergencies. Utilizing cutting-edge CNC machining, the mechanism guarantees durability and accuracy, prolonging the device's lifespan. Equipped with an expanding sleeve for blade positioning and overload protection, the RP200 offers unparalleled convenience. With blades made of Hardox, abrasion-resistant steel, durability is a guarantee, making it the perfect tool for beach cleaning endeavors. Now hop on toward the Schulte RWP 1935. This versatile rock windrower picker is used for field maintenance, offering a comprehensive solution for farmers and agricultural professionals. With adjustable working widths spanning from 16 to 19 feet, the RWP 1935 adapts seamlessly to dislodge partially exposed stones. Operating with one person and one tractor, this equipment simplifies rock raking and picking tasks, ensuring thorough and swift field maintenance with every pass. It's equipped with a self-contained hydraulic system, which maximizes operational efficiency and ease of use during fieldwork, Furthermore, it enhances productivity and reduces downtime. With its high-lift 4 cubic yard bucket, this machine can pick up to 19 feet per pass, significantly boosting productivity and minimizing manual labor. Now, presenting the Caterpillar Challenger, a formidable machine designed for the toughest coastal challenges. This powerhouse is the lifeline for offshore lifeboats, effortlessly pulling them on its non-powered hydraulic HLRT Valentine 2000 trailer across soft sand beaches. Built to withstand the harsh marine environment, the Challenger undergoes a complete transformation, with its bottom half converted into a watertight vessel. Encasing the engine, transmission, and other vital components in a massive jacket enables the tractor to operate submerged up to the base of the cab. Equipped with a turbo diesel engine generating 375 horsepower, the Challenger races at 31 miles per hour, effortlessly towing loads of up to 17 tons. Its cab, perched on 6-inch mounts, ensures thorough cleaning after each use, ready for the next maritime mission. At the 7th spot, we've got the Lion 8, a groundbreaking innovation in waste management, boasting features that revolutionize the industry. With zero emissions, it contributes to a cleaner environment and reduces carbon footprints, aligning with sustainability goals. It's equipped with 338 horsepower, high-capacity batteries, which provide a range of up to 249 miles on a single charge. It has a touchscreen control and a range of safety features, including a 360-degree camera and emergency braking. Furthermore, it provides 80% energy saving. Its waste collection hopper and automated arm streamline operations, enhancing efficiency and productivity. Designed for versatile applications, it can be utilized in various waste collection scenarios, including municipal, industrial, and commercial settings. As a sustainable solution, the Lion 8 electric waste collector leads the way in transforming waste management practices for a greener future. Next is the SH1000 Salt Harvester by Rimpool, a reliable and efficient solution for salt hauling and loading operations. This innovative machine is engineered to handle immense salt harvesting tasks with ease. Capable of producing a staggering 1,000 tons per hour, the SH1000 is designed to meet the demands of various salt harvesting operations. One of its standout features is the inclusion of dual-side conveyors, enabling salt haulers to load from either side of the harvester, thereby enhancing production flexibility and efficiency. With its innovative design and high productivity, the SH1000 Salt Harvester redefines the salt harvesting industry, providing unmatched performance and reliability for salt producers worldwide. Next, brace yourself for the Anderson HP35, a marvelous trailer-mounted under-bridge access and work platform that revolutionizes bridge maintenance. Featuring a 180-degree platform rotation, it efficiently covers over 1,000 square feet beneath the bridge from a fixed point on the deck. Enhanced versatility is achieved through the hydrostatic drive, enabling propulsion on the bridge deck during platform operation. It boasts reversible deployment, ensuring flexibility in setup. Patented tower separation system with hydraulically adjusted cross-linking arms allows operators to extend the tower and platform over barriers without hindering under-bridge operations. These advanced features improve safety and quality, ensuring seamless and secure bridge maintenance operations. With the HP35, bridge maintenance reaches new heights of efficiency and effectiveness, ensuring safer infrastructure for all. Moving towards the next wonder, the Knox Kershaw's KTR 450 tie replacer, a nimble and operator-friendly machine manufactured to revolutionize railway tie maintenance. With its 7-foot stroke workhead, this powerhouse generates extraction forces exceeding 12 tons, effortlessly removing and inserting timber and concrete ties. Crafted from all-welded construction-grade tubular steel with high-strength reinforcing plates, the KTR 450 boasts durability and reliability in challenging railway environments. Powered by a 110-horsepower, 24-volt engine, it features electronic engine warnings and protection shutdowns for enhanced safety. Moreover, it is equipped with a hydraulic system, pressure-compensated pump, high-lift fixed turntable, and anti-skid grip strut decking. This machine is a game-changer in railway maintenance, offering efficiency and ease of use for operators. Next on the list, we've got the TA-30 dowel rod milling machine. This machine ensures precision, guaranteeing accurate milling to create uniform round rods of 6 to 30 millimeters in diameter, suitable for various woodworking applications. Engineered for efficiency, it optimizes workflow and productivity, while its durable construction ensures long-term reliability and performance. Its operator-friendly design makes it suitable for craftsmen of all levels, and its compact size maximizes floor area utilization in workshops with limited space. Delivering high-quality finished rods, this machine meets professional woodworking standards and is capable with various accessories to enhance its functionality and versatility. Thanks for joining us on Mighty Machinery as we explore the fascinating world of unbelievable modern machines that are operating at another level. From colossal rock pickers to precision agricultural equipment, these engineering marvels redefine what's possible. We hope you were amazed by the sheer power and innovation showcased in these machines. Stay tuned for more incredible content as we uncover the latest advancements in technology and machinery. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our future videos. Until next time, keep watching, keep learning, and stay mighty.